Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Delicious and Leka. Today we have a new spaghetti recipe. The ingredients: spaghetti 500 grams, minced meat 250 grams, tomato paste 100 grams, 2 chopped onions, 4 chopped paprika, black pepper 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, thyme 1 teaspoon, curry 1 teaspoon. Let's get started. First we cook the spaghetti. In the meantime, we fry the onions and paprika until lightly colored. Remove the onions and paprika aside and fry the minced meat on the other side of the pan. After the meat well cooked, pour it with the onions and paprika in the pot. After that, we add the tomato paste. Stir them for about 2 minutes. Add the spices. Stir the mixture after that. Salt according to taste. Add half a liter of hot water. Afterwards, we add the spaghetti. And stir until they are mixed well into the sauce. leave it on the heat until the water evaporates. See you guys next time with the new recipe.